Namaste. Welcome to the online classes of grade 9 state board. In this session, the chapter is surface areas and volumes, and in this session we will learn the surface area of sphere. In the previous session, we will learn the surface areas of cylinder and the cone, and now the surface area of sphere. First of all, what is sphere? Sphere is nothing but you can already observe that the shot put or the ball or the volleyball or cricket ball, the leather ball which are used in the international cricket, they are all in the shape of a globe-like structure, but they are three-dimensional figure. So the sphere is nothing but a three-dimensional figure which can be made up of all the points lie in the plane which are at the constant distance from one another. So a sphere, if we write this as, this is a two-dimensional figure called as circle, but the solid figure which is in the shape of a circle, but it is made up of all the points which are lie on the plane and all are lie at the constant distance, nothing but the radius of the sphere. So this is radius of the sphere. So the sphere can be made up of by taking the axis, the diameter as the axis, and rotate in clockwise or anti-clockwise direction, you will get the sphere. So the surface area sphere is equal to, is nothing but 4 pi r square. This is the surface area of sphere is 4 pi square. Okay. Now, if I cut the sphere into two equal parts, then you will get like this. So this is called as hemisphere. This is called as hemisphere or semisphere. This is called as hemisphere. If you join two hemispheres, you will get the solid sphere. So, surface area of hemisphere is equal to, see, two equal hemispheres made up combined, and you will get the total sphere. So that means the half of the sphere is nothing but hemisphere. So 4 pi r square is the surface area of a sphere. So then the surface area of hemisphere becomes half of 4 pi r square, nothing but 2 pi r square. So surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. Surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. Now, if I take the total surface area, total surface area of hemisphere is equal to SA. SA is surface area of hemisphere plus area of circle. Why? See, if I take the hemisphere, now this is the surface area. If I take the surface area, then the curved surface will be taken only. If I take the total surface area, then the curved surface area and the base, you can take it as top or bottom, the surface. What is the surface? It is in the shape of circle. So you have to take the area of the curved surface and the area of the circle. That is area of the circle. So 2 pi r square plus, what is the area of the circle? Area of the circle is pi r square. So that is equal to 3 pi r square. So for the surface area of sphere, it is nothing but the curved surface area or lateral surface area are all same. So surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. Surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. Total surface area of hemisphere is surface area of hemisphere plus area of circle. So 2 pi r square plus pi r square, that becomes 3 pi r square. Let us solve some problems related to the surface area of sphere. So find the surface area of sphere of radius 7 centimeter. So it is given r is equal to 7 centimeter. So surface area is equal to, what is the surface area of sphere is? 4 pi r square. So 4 into, you know the value of pi, pi is 22 by 7 into r is 7 into 7. Why I am writing this as 7 into 7? Because r square, 7 square. You have to take r as 7. 7 square means 7 into 7. So cancel 1 7. So 88 into 7. That is 616 square centimeters. This is the surface area of a sphere. Okay. Let us take another problem from the exercise. Find the total surface area of hemisphere of radius 10 centimeter. So r is equal to 10 centimeter. So TSA is nothing but total surface area. So total surface area of hemisphere is equal to, what is the formula for total surface area of hemisphere? That is 3 pi r square. It is already given here. Use pi is equal to 3.14. See here, you can take, if it is not mentioned like 3, use pi is equal to 3.14, then you have to take pi as 22 by 7. Otherwise, if it is mentioned pi is equal to 22 by 7, you have to take it as 22 by 7 only. If it is mentioned as 3.14, you have to take it as 3.14. So 3 into 3.14 into, what is r? R is 10. So 10 square. What is 10 square? 3 into 3.14 into 100. 9.4 into 100, that is 942 square centimeters. So this is the total surface area of hemisphere whose radius is 10 centimeter if it is taken as pi as 3.14. Okay. Find the radius of the sphere whose surface area is 154 centimeter square. So centimeter square can also be written as square centimeter. Both are same. So here it is given surface area of sphere is given, that is 154. What is the surface area of a sphere? The surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square, that is equal to 154. See here, in this problem, they are not mentioning the value of pi. That means you have to take the value of pi as 22 by 7. Okay. So r square is better. 4 into 22 by 7 into r square is equal to 154. We want the value of r. So take r square in the left hand side only. So 154 into 7 becomes, here in this left hand side 7 is in the denominator place. If it go to the right hand side, it will become numerator. 7 divided by 4 comes downwards and 22 also to the denominator. Okay. Now with 4, 4 3s are 12, 34. It is not. 11 2s are 11 1s are 11 4s are. Okay. 2 2s are 2 7s are. So this is 49 by 4. But this is r square. So then r is equal to root 49 by 4, that is 7 by 2, that is 3.5 centimeter. So R is 3.5 centimeter. I hope you understand. See here, what is given? The surface area of the sphere is given, that is 154 centimeter. So centimeter square. But we know the value of the formula for surface area of sphere. The surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. So 4 pi r square is equal to 154. It is given. So substitute the values of pi and pi. 4 into 22 by 7 into r square is equal to 154. Okay. R square is equal to 154. 7 goes to the numerator and 4 and 22 comes to the denominator. So 11 2s are 11, 14s are. Then we can take 2 7s are 2 2s are 2 7s are 7 into 7 49, 2 into 2 4. So here r square is 49 by 4. Then r becomes square root of 49 by 4. So square root of 49 is 7 and the square root of 4 is 2. So 7 by 2 is nothing but half of 7. So half of 7 is 3.5 centimeter. In this way, we can solve the problems related to the surface area of sphere. The main formulas for the surface area of sphere are: the surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square, surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square, and the total surface area of hemisphere is 3 pi r square. Based on these three formulas, we have to solve the problems related to the surface area. Let us take the home fun for this session. For this session is exercise 13.4, first main, second main, fourth main, fifth main, seventh main, and solve the problems which are on the exercise as much as possible. If you found difficulty in solving these problems, just contact us. We will give the solutions for the remaining problems. I hope you understand this session of surface areas of sphere. Thank you one and all.